Welcome everybody and happy International Self-Care Day, a moment where we reflect on the role of self-care in keeping people healthy and in particular its role in prevention, the prevention of disease, earlier treatment and what that will enable in terms of creating better outcomes for everybody. That's better outcomes for individuals, for communities, for healthcare systems. And it's products such as toothpastes, nicotine replacement therapies, sunscreens, which can make a huge difference to outcomes. So for instance, the latest research shows that using toothpaste twice a day can reduce tooth decay by up to 24%. And it's why the role of self-care in prevention is so essential to delivering better health outcomes for everyone.
In the context of community prevention, not only does regular self-care maintain better health, it can also act as a barrier, stopping fast-moving conditions at the very first sign of illness. For example, we've seen how oral rehydration solutions accounted for over a third of the total reduction in diarrhea mortality for children under 5 years old. This is all about creating more avenues to primary care. Pharmacies are far more accessible touchpoints in their communities, which means when someone in need comes in to make a routine purchase, they can be redirected to seek out a clinical diagnosis far sooner than they might have done on their own. We really see a great deal of potential for how we can leverage self-care as a prevention strategy across the full health continuum.
When people can confidently manage minor conditions themselves, they stay healthier, they gain access to relief, and can help free up healthcare professionals to focus on the patients and consumers who need them the most. In fact, responsible self-care can free up to 2.2 billion physician hours globally and save health systems about $144 billion. Self-care reduces unnecessary healthcare visits. It keeps resources and beds available for more complex cases. These benefits are essential for building health system resilience. However, sadly, their potential is not fully realized yet. So on this Self-Care International Day, the Global Self-Care Federation is calling on policymakers and health leaders to recognize self-care as a front line of prevention. How? By embedding self-care interventions into every level of prevention, from primary to quaternary. Why? To build stronger health systems and healthier communities. Together, we can make self-care a catalyst to help millions of people and consumers take health in their hands. Happy International Self-Care Day.